First on the list is e-commerce. This digital era has made it easy for anyone with a computer to start their own online store. Whether it's selling handmade crafts, vintage collectibles, or even your own brand of products, e-commerce is a flexible and scalable side hustle that can be managed from the comfort of your own home. Next up is ride-sharing or delivery driving. With platforms like Uber, Lyft, or DoorDash, you can earn money on your own schedule. Whether it's driving people around town or delivering food from local restaurants, this side hustle offers the advantage of instant cash flow. Social media management is another potentially profitable venture. As businesses increasingly recognize the value of a strong online presence, they are on the lookout for individuals who can manage their social media platforms. If you're savvy with Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, this could be a side hustle made just for you. Content creation is another option. Starting a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast on a topic you're passionate about can lead to multiple streams of income, like advertising revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. It's a creative and rewarding side hustle that gives you a platform to share your knowledge and interests. Handyman services are always in demand. If you're handy with tools and enjoy fixing things, offering your skills to those in your community can be a lucrative side hustle. From repairing leaky faucets to assembling furniture, your skills can solve problems for others while earning you extra cash. Pet sitting or dog walking is a side hustle for the animal lovers out there. Taking care of pets while their owners are away or busy not only brings in income, but it also gives you the joy of spending time with furry friends. Consulting is a great way to share your expertise in a specific field with businesses or individuals who need it. Whether you're a marketing guru, financial whiz, or a tech wizard, your knowledge can be a valuable asset that others are willing to pay for. Photography is another creative and potentially profitable side hustle. If you have a knack for capturing moments, offering photography services for events, portraits, or stock images can turn your passion into profit. Property management is a side hustle that requires a bit more responsibility, but can yield substantial returns. Managing rental properties for owners can include tasks like finding and vetting tenants, handling repairs and maintenance, and tracking rent payments. Lastly, consider catering or baking. If you have culinary skills and love to cook or bake, starting a small catering or baking business can be a delicious side hustle. From baking custom cakes to catering small events, your tasty creations can bring in a sweet income. In summary, there are numerous side hustle opportunities available today. Whether it's e-commerce, ride-sharing, social media management, content creation, handyman services, pet sitting, consulting, photography, property management, or catering, each hustle carries its unique benefits. Remember, the best side hustle is one that aligns with your skills, interests, and available time. So, take a moment to evaluate these options and choose one that suits you best. Who knows, your side hustle might just turn into your main hustle.